How to fix Rockstar Games. Sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time. First, open up your computer search and then search for Rockstar Games launcher. Right click on it, open file location. Now right here, we are gonna right click on it once more and then open file location. Launcher, patcher here. You will right click on it, show more options, properties, go to compatibility and check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you have done this, then the second thing that we need to do is open up our computer search for virus and threat protection. Now right here, we're gonna click on virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Scroll down until you see exclusions, add or remove exclusion, click on yes. Now add an exclusion, select folder. You wanna go to your C drive, program files, Rockstar Games. If you have installed it elsewhere, you want to find the Rockstar Games folder and you will just click on select folder. Then we can proceed to the last fix, which is going to be searching for date and time settings. And here, make sure set time automatically, set time zone automatically are both turned on. And then you will select sync now. Just click on sync now after both of these are turned on. And that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.